Leonard Hill Investments here. Today we're going to talk about why I like to trade my little small account just like I trade my big accounts. Today is a good day to be in the markets because you're getting some important news out of the business world saying the dollar has been depreciating and cryptocurrency has been doing well, and the stock market looks like it's going to go above 30,000 Dow. And these are some of the things that has been headlined in the news. But I'm here to say we have to be careful and vigilant because, one, I like to manage my small account like I manage my big accounts because I'm trying to maximize as much gains as possible in as much time value as possible. So if I have a investment horizon of 30 years, I say I want to retire in 30 years, and I manage my small account just like I manage my big accounts, I could get a good return on my money over the 30-year period. Now, I know there might be some hiccups, might be some health concerns or health bills or school bills and different things like that. But with putting a little bit of money away in my small account, a little bit at a time, whether it's $100, $200 a month, it helps me show up a good thing 30 years from now. What has been on fire for me as of late has been the cryptocurrency account. It's returned close to like 25, 30% for me over the last 2 to 3 months. And I think it's going to go much higher than that for the next several years. So let's be mindful of that. The cryptocurrency market looks appealing, and it looks like, especially with the falling dollar, the dollar has been creeping down a little bit. And I think eventually the dollar might head to zero. Eventually. And the cryptocurrency market is going to take over for the dollar. Cryptocurrency and gold and silver. So I'm a firm believer in not keeping everything in cash. So I've been shifting more of my portfolio towards cryptocurrency. I believe in borrowing a little bit of money at this time. If I'm able to pay it back, if you're able to pay it back, I will borrow a little bit of money at this time and lock in a fixed rate of lower rates. But it's all about what you do with that borrowed money. I wouldn't spend all of it on trips and food. I will make an investment out of some of it and try to outpace the interest rate that I borrowed at and have a better rate of return than the interest rate that I borrowed at in the stock market or the cryptocurrency market. Would you rather borrow right now $50,000 at 4.25% or borrow 7 years from now at a rate of 12.65%? It's all in the math. So these are some of the things that we've been doing to show up a good thing for ourselves. And if I'm able to pay down some of my existing debt with the debt that I borrow because I'm locking in at a lower interest rate, I will do that. I like to fix up some of my car vehicles. At a time like this also as well. Buying car vehicles all cash, fixing them up, and have them in the collection. because I think car vehicles will go through the roof in about 7 years from now as automated cars go out to production. So having a car vehicle, having a gas efficient car vehicle, or having an SUV with that car, that all adds up, especially if you pay it off. Let's just be vigilant about our own little finances to help set us free from the constant grind that you see in America. Whether you don't like investing in individual stocks too much, but putting it into ETFs. Countries that I like the ETFs, I like the Asian tigers, the Asian tiger markets, Indonesia, Malaysia, Korea, Thailand, Japan. These Asian companies, these Asian countries that have not too much reliance on the United States stock market, but does well in their own little geographic areas. I like steel stocks with the new incumbent president. He has big plans for America. I like Germany ETFs. I like Germany ETFs because again, they're not so self-reliant on American markets. And I believe investing in some of these companies will prove wisely. Like say a Merck company. Merck is a drug company that is based out of Germany. And their stock chart looks very propelling here. And I'm confident that this stock will see higher prices over the next 2 to 3 years. These are some of the ways that we invest in the markets. So let's not make too hasty decisions. And let's look at how we can build a better portfolio and have good returns over the next 30 years. Rome wasn't built in a day. This investment takes patience, it takes tenacity, it takes determination, and it takes confidence, which I know you have. Let's you ask me why I like to come on YouTube and give you guys information about what I'm investing in. It's because I like like-minded investors hanging around me. I don't want to be the only investor in the United States trying to make some money in the markets. That's no fun that way. I like to get you informed. I like to spread news about the investment world. And hopefully we can make some money together. This is London Hill Investment signing out. Investing in people first, God second, things and family third.